In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called calculating molarity using solute moles. So this problem is going to give us a number of moles of a particular substance and also volume, and it wants us to calculate the concentration of the solution given or using the units that ALEKS is specifying. So in my problem, it wants me to calculate the concentration using micromoles and liters. Now in the problem, it is going to tell you how many moles there are of the solution. It's also going to tell you how many liters, but the units may not be exactly the same as ALEKS's desired units. So for example, in my problem, it is telling me that I have 2.5 times 10 to the 2 micromoles, and that's great because that is the unit that ALEKS wants me to express my moles in. It does want me to use the micromole unit. I'm going to copy the units that ALEKS wants from me. I'm just going to copy it over here so we can zoom in on this side. So I have my moles I already have in the correct unit. Not all of the ALEKS problems are going to give the correct unit for moles, so you may have to do a little bit of a unit conversion, but I know you can handle that. For my volume, ALEKS is giving me my volume in milliliters, and the problem wants me to express my volume in units of liters. So I am going to have to do a unit conversion. And I think for all of these problems, you're going to have to do at least one unit conversion. Either the units of the moles will not be right or the units of the volume will not be right. But these will all be standard metric conversions that I know you can handle. So I'm going to start by writing the volume as it has been presented to me with the unit that has been presented to me. I'm going to set myself up for a unit conversion. My unwanted unit, I want down on the bottom of my conversion factor, and the unit that I'm trying to convert into, which is liters, is going to go up on top. Milli is the prefix for 10 to the minus 3. That means 1 milli anything is 10 to the minus 3. That milliliter unit cancels out. And I'm going to end with 0.400 liters, which I'm going to plug into this equation here. So basically, all that you have to do is pay attention to the units that ALEKS wants from you, take the numbers out of the problem, get them into the appropriate unit if they aren't already in the appropriate unit, and then carry out the math. So I've got a calculator over here ready to do that. 2.5 times 10 to the 2 divided by 0.4 is 625. The units are micromoles per liter. The units are already in the problem. This says that I need to express my answer to 2 significant digits. Right now, I have 3 significant digits, which means I need to get rid of that last one. Because that last digit is a 5, I'm going to need to round that 2 up to a 3, 630 micromoles per liter. Now, I, as an instructor, would be happy with that answer, but I know that ALEKS really has a thing for scientific notation. So you're going to want to put this into scientific notation. 6.3 times 10 to the 2 micromoles per liter.